Hi guys, Python for absolutely beginners. Today we are going to discuss about what is the list with the example. Let us start.
List. So what is the list? And I can give you a particular example. So list can hold a different values and data types. So that means values and different data types. For example, I can take 8 0 to 10. This is the different values, like it is an integer type. Y equal to training. This is a string type. So what list can hold different values and data types like string, even integer also. And z equal to 10, 20, 40, 50, and b equal to string and something rcv. So print a equal to a. What is that? Output is st, string. So second point is list can accept duplicate values, means, and list is a mutable. So mutable means it can possible to modify and update. It is possible to change. If you give any values, if you don't want any that values, so you can modify that and you can update. That is called mutable. So for example, it can accept duplicate. How? Means I will show you example. A equal to str string rcv something ac, b equal to 0 comma 20 comma 40 comma 50 comma 0 40. So these 40 and 40, already 140 is there and another 40 is this is a duplicate values. So how it will accept? Means print b equal to 2, means it is 0 value, it is 1 value, it is 2 value. Print type b. Okay, so output 40, means it accept these 40 values. That means list can accept duplicate values. And some different methods are there in list. List append means it add items to the end of the list. Okay, and list insert means insert items at a given position only, like I comma x, that given position only it insert the values. And list clear and remove all the items from the list. So okay, thank you.